everybody, what's up with you all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. I'm your psychic, your tarot card reader, your healer, the spellcaster, the numerologist. Let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you right now. Now I see that your person is all getting geared up. Their parents, or let's say their family itself, is some they want this person, your person, to take a decision right now. Okay, and that's a beautiful thing because it seems like your person is now looking forward for stability. They are now looking forward for security. They have been busy. They did not commit to you from such a long time because they wanted to build a very secure and stable family. Okay, they wanted to build a house. Few of them, I'm listening right now, the messages that I'm getting, few of them were working towards getting better in their finances. Few of them were working towards a better career, but something or the other tells me that they were busy doing things so that they can have a secured future with you, and they can have this new beautiful beginning, and they can actually take this leap of faith. But normally what usually happens, if you're a woman watching this particular video right now, with men it generally happens they take time to commit because they first want to settle down in their career, because their nourishing is such wherein they actually think about their career first before commitment comes into the picture. Okay, so I see that this person was looking forward to settle down in their career, and that is what was happening. Okay, that is what was happening here. I do see with this Four of Pentacles, they might not have told you this in as many words, but that is a fact. They may be suppressing their feelings. They may be hiding their feelings from a very long time because they didn't want to show up. They didn't want to give you any sort of false commitment or false hope. But the fact is, they were actually working towards settling down to get a better secured life with you, financial, career wise as well. Everything they wanted to settle down so that they can build a future with you which is based on security, safety and stability. Just when I said that, we have Ace of Pentacles right here. Do you see that? I mean, this is just so amazing. Just when I see that, it came. Okay, so I feel that this person definitely wants to come forward. They are in love with you. They want to have that stability with you, that connection with you, wherein they feel stable, they feel secure. And something tells me that they want to work hard, and that is why they were also working hard in the past, because they wanted the secure future with you. And I see that this Three of Cups is not only bringing you guys closer, but there is also a family celebration that is coming up. Okay, so I think this person is going to come forward, work on themselves. This person is going to come forward. They're going to propose to you. I would not be surprised if they would actually bend down on their knees and propose. Okay, they may even ask you to get engaged with them, and I see the family members are going to be really happy with their decision. You guys are going to enjoy. The family is going to support you people, and I see a beautiful celebration coming up. In the recent past, I felt that you were kind of pushing away this particular connection because you were sort of losing hope. You became a little stubborn, a little negative as well as to where this connection is headed towards. So you sort of pushed away this person or the energy because you wanted balance in this connection. You wanted marriage commitment. You wanted to get settled, and you wanted to know where exactly is this particular connection moving forward. And you are somebody who gives it all, who is very caring, who is very loving. You are like a figure, a very soft emotional figure in their life, and they do know, they understand that you are somebody who nurtures, who cares for them, who is emotional for them. And with the Nine of Pentacles, I see that there is a wish fulfillment coming up. Okay, so if you've been manifesting, asking, now's the time when your wishes are going to get fulfilled. If not right now, um, I would say the timeline has begun. starting from right now when you're watching this particular video till the month of September, things are going to get fulfilled. And let me warn you, because Five of Cups has popped up, that is telling me that uh, in case if you've been asking for a commitment, or if you've been asking for when is it that this person is going to commit to you, it is soon going to it is soon going to happen. But you need to keep patience, because I see that something in the past or something right now you may say or you may have said, because of which you may regret in the future. So this is just a piece of advice. My spirit guides are telling me to warn you, because uh, you may say something. Okay, you may say something which you are going to regret. So I would suggest, just hold your horses, give it some more time. You have been patient enough. I know you may be saying that, Neha, what are you even saying? We have waited for this person from months, or let's say years, and now patience has given up, and you are still asking us to wait. Hang on, you have waited enough, I know. But let's just say, give yourself a timeline till the month of September. It's just around the corner. And if nothing happens by September, then obviously you have all choice. But I do not want you to regret later on. That's all. Rest is absolutely your wish, because obviously this particular reading is not going to resonate for all of you. A majority of you it will, but it also depends from situation to situation, because I do see that something you're going to regret saying, and that may block the good energies coming from your person in the future. All right, so I do see they want to come forward, they want to propose to you, they will be sending you a message, and it may happen um, over a message, it may happen face to face, anything can happen. But I'm sensing that they are going to message you first to ask you out. Let's catch up, let's go out, and it will be a normal dinner drink sort of a situation, and all of a sudden they will pop a question, and they are ready to take that action towards you. So be ready. I feel that this is going to happen anytime soon. So whenever you go out, try to wear the best of your dress, or try to look good and dashing and pretty and beautiful, whatever, because this particular thing is about to happen. Oh my god, can you beat that? I mean, Two of Cups. Two of Cups, guys. Two of Cups. I mean, what else could you ask for? Just when I said that this can happen anytime, and the next card that I picked up is Two of Cups. You are definitely dealing with your soulmate. See, Two of Cups within 2 weeks to 2 months. Hang on, guys, do not do anything negative to impact this particular situation. I'm warning you again and again. And by the way, guys, this is bound to happen. I feel that a very good time is going to come pretty soon, wherein you are going to say this thing yourself, that Luna, thank you so much. Neha, thank you so much that you warned us, because we were getting desperate and we were getting impatient, wherein we were ready to pester our partners, and you warned us. And that is why I am here for, as your psychic guide, and as your advisor, as your counselor, reader, coach, whatsoever you call me. I mean, whatsoever, a tarot card reader. But I do see a beautiful, beautiful union coming up for you. So hanging on a bit. By the way, guys, 8th of August is the Lionsgate portal. So anything starting from today till 10th or 11th of August, be very careful, because you may feel a sudden shift in your energies. Okay, you may feel anxious, you may feel heavy, but you don't have to take any action, like I said, because Lionsgate portal is a very potent portal, and that happens once in a year. By the way, guys, my bookings for candle work is open, the spell work and the healings are open, and the early bird discount for 10 people who are going to book at first will get a 10% off. To know more, just DM me on my Instagram. The handle is right in the description box. Just DM me right away, portal, and to avail a 10% discount on your spell work with me. And by the way, guys, if you want to know more about Lionsgate portal, just send me a DM on Instagram and I will be happy to let you know, to share that with you. All right. So, in this particular situation, in case if you've been wondering what is it that you could do to reunite with your person or to fast track everything, whatever I said right now, then you can go for 21 days love combo. You can go for love reconciliation for 7 days. If you do not have good budget like 21 days love combo budget, then you can go for 3 days mini love combo. You can ask for the price, you can just let me know, or you can go for love obsession or love reconciliation or marriage commitment, or you can also go for a third party removal if there is any third energy, third wheel in your relationship. All right, so I'm going to take your leave, but this has been a very good reading. Hold your horses, guys, because good news is just around the corner.